Can I be real with you for a minute? You know you're capable of so much more. Like, deep down, you feel it. You know you're meant for more than the same old routine. But somehow, day after day, you keep putting it off. Maybe it's starting that side hustle, launching your own thing, finally figuring out how to use ChatGPT or Canva AI to buy back your time and ditch the 9-to-5 hamster wheel. You want more freedom. You want more meaning. You want to live life on your terms. But you're tired. You're overwhelmed. And let's be honest, you might even feel a little lazy. But pause. What if I told you it's not really laziness? What if the problem isn't you, but the system you're stuck in? In his best-selling book, Atomic Habits, James Clear drops a truth bomb that changed everything for me. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. And that right there is the punch in the gut most of us need. Because yes, you have dreams, but if your daily system looks like wake up, rush to work, scroll TikTok, sleep, repeat, then guess what? It doesn't matter how big your dreams are, they'll stay dreams. Let me tell you a story. There's this my friend, his name is Josh. Josh worked a regular 9-to-5, always came home exhausted. But for years, he had this quiet little dream to start a fresh fruit business. Not a tech startup, not a get-rich-quick scheme, just something real, something his. So instead of saying one day, he gave himself 1 hour after work, every day. He'd research fruit markets, learn about packaging, read boring supplier websites. I know, heroic. And on weekends, he'd walk the streets scouting good spots with high foot traffic. Bit by bit, he saved. Bit by bit, he planned. And eventually, he launched. That 1 hour a day, it bought him his freedom. Today, Josh is not working a job he hates. He's running a business he built from just 1 hour a day. In The Slight Edge, Jeff Olson wrote, "Simple daily disciplines, little productive actions, repeated consistently over time, add up to the difference between failure and success." That's how people win. Not by doing everything, but by doing one thing consistently. Step 1, make it tiny, like embarrassingly tiny. Forget build a 6-figure brand today. Forget learn all of AI in 1 week. Start with a Google search. Test one improved prompt in ChatGPT. Write down one idea. Think of it this way. You don't build a house in a day. You just lay one brick. Step 2, build a lazy-proof system. In The Power of Habit, Charles Duhigg explains, habits emerge because the brain is constantly looking for ways to save effort. So let's work with your lazy brain, not against it. Want to work on your idea? Set a calendar reminder at the same time every day. Want to explore AI tools? Keep them open in your browser tabs. Don't leave your success to chance or mood. Let your system carry you, even when you don't feel like showing up. Now, I need to confess something. A few months ago, I knew nothing about YouTube videos. Zero. Nada. I'm an introvert, okay? Cameras, editing, yeah, no thanks. But I had this itch to start. So I did what any confused overthinker would do. I Googled like my life depended on it. I found tools like Canva AI, CapCut, and 11 Labs. I watched tutorials, tested, deleted stuff that looked awful, then tried again. And now, I've started posting. My subscriber count is, let's just say, humble. But hey, I started. And if I keep showing up, even awkwardly, I believe it'll grow. And speaking of growth, if you're still here vibing with this message, would you do me a small favor? Hit that subscribe button. Maybe give the video a like and share it too. No pressure. Just saying, if you're rooting for me the way I'm rooting for you, a tiny click would mean a lot. Step 3, use the 2-minute rule. From Getting Things Done, David Allen says, if it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Why? Because starting is the hardest part. So, want to build something? Write down the title. Want to learn an important AI tool? Watch one short video about it. Want to start a business? Write one bullet point. You'll be surprised how often 2 minutes turns into 20. Because once the engine starts, you keep going. Here's your simple roadmap. Make your goals stupidly small. Create a system that helps you show up. Use 2-minute actions to build momentum. Use AI tools, even if you're just learning them from scratch. In Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill said, "Don't wait. The time will never be just right." And he's right. The people doing the things you admire, they're not smarter than you. They're just more consistent. They didn't wait to feel ready. They just started. So now, friend, it's your move. What's one tiny thing you can do today? Write that idea. Open that AI tool. Watch that tutorial. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for motivation. You know what? Because one day you'll look back at this moment and realize this is when everything started to shift. And hey, if this gave you hope, even a spark, please consider liking this video, sharing it with someone else who's stuck like you were, and hitting subscribe so I can keep dropping more gems to help you build your dream life. I'm cheering you on.